Hello everyone, this is my eighth experiment in data structure lab. So in this experiment I'm going to I'm going to talk about merge sort and quick sort. These are two type of sorting algorithms again. And so first merge sort. Merge sort is an uh, sorting algorithm where we need two prerequisite sorted array, pre-sorted array where this algorithm will combine both the sorted array into one array. So I'll start again from the main function. The main function goes like this, and beforehand we have to declare two array. In this program requires two array. In first array where everything will be stored, and the second array, first array where everything will be stored from the user directly, and the second array for while runtime where the element like the sorted element will be stored. So yeah, the main goes like this. In int l equal to h, l equal to 0 and h, see out enter the number of input you want to give. C in h, I'll correct the indentation. See out enter the number, and you use a for loop which will run from 0 to I less than h, and it will store all the elements. And now it will go to the merge sort where we send L and H minus 1. L which is 0 from first, and H is the number of input we have given. Okay, so we'll go to merge S. Now void merges into low and high. The low and high is given here, and in mid is here. So if low is less than high, mid equal to low plus high by 2. Merge S load low comma mid, merge S mid plus 1 comma high, merge low comma mid comma high. In this actually it is a recursing function where the function itself is called within it. So first I'll tell you what are the functions of these functions. Merge S is to reinitiate this particular code, and merge is to sort. It will tell you the low, mid, and high. You have to pass the low, mid, and high inside the merge, and it will sort the array accordingly. The sort algorithms work like first, um, inside the merge function, low, mid, and high are passed. Int h and jk are declared. H is assigned as low. I is also assigned as low, and j is assigned as mid plus 1. So while h is less than equal to mid and j is less than equal to high, both it will go inside this while loop where there we make a if make a if statement, and compare a of h is less than equal to a of j or not. If it's less, then this particular part of the code will work. B of I equal to a of h, uh, h plus plus, or this part will run. B of I equal to a of j, j plus plus. And after that, after the if will increment I. So I will keep on working until this uh, condition is fulfilled. So after that we'll check if h is greater than mid or not. If h is greater than mid, then if it is completed or not, the greater side. If it is completed, then copy all the elements of b to k, and if it's completed on the this is low side, then all the elements of a of k will stored into b of k, and after that b of I. After that, for k equal to low k, start a loop from low to high, and we'll copy all the element of b to k. P is a temporary array which we use, uh, which particularly doesn't have any use other than providing a temporary memory for that particular time. And after that, merge S will come back to merge this. So this particular thing will just short out the array, which the part of the array which where will give it. So likewise, after going through this, both the functions, the array will be shorted in B and copied back to A. So I'll build and run this and show you how it works. Enter the number of inputs you want to give. Let me give 6 this time. 5, 7, 6. I gave 6 and now it is shorted. So that's all about merge sort. Merge sort is a very efficient sorting algorithm which will sort your group of data very efficiently. Quick sort is another sorting algorithm where the elements of an array is sorted in a quick fashion. So again, I'll start from the main function. Int a of 100. I've taken limit of a as 100. N, L, H, and I have declared so many integer variable. I have asked the user the total number of elements and stored it into n. And again, I've asked the user the number of to enter the number of elements. So I'll store it using a for into a of I that stored inside the a array. And again, I'll print the initial array what they printed. After that, h equal to n minus 1, l equal to 0. This is the limit of the array h and l, high and low. And after that I'll go to the quick sort algorithm, which function which goes here. So again, this is a two-step algorithm where first quick is executed with L, H, and A. L and H are the low and high of the array, and A is the pointer which will point the first element of the array. So again, I've taken two more variable index and I. If L is less than H, then this part will execute index equal to part of L comma H comma A. Quick sort again, I index minus 1 A, quick index plus 1 H comma A. This is an algorithm which is again a recursive function. The function is called itself within it. So just after I'll show you how the part function works. In the part function, again we have taken in the low, high, and the address of the element A, and I've taken few integers I, H, L, P, and T. I've stored inside H and L. I've stored the high and low, and P is equal to A of low, the first element of the array on which we are dealing. So again, while low is less than high, this part of the while loop will work. Why again I've used another while loop. A of L is less than P, L plus plus, and while A of H is greater than P, H minus minus. If L less than H, then this part will occur. T equal to A of L equal to A of H, and A of H equal to T. Else T equal to P, P equal to A of L, and A of L is equal to T. If L of L is greater than H, this part will occur. If L is less than H, this part will occur. So, and after that, as this function is a return type, I'll return it to H, come back to index, and this part will execute. So yeah, this is a program. I'll show you. I'll run and show you how it works. Total number of elements, let me give 5 again, 5 this time. Go to given 5. The short initial array is this one. Okay, some error occurred, didn't run it perfectly. I'll show you again. Let's take 6 elements this time. 5, 6. This is the initial array. 5, Don't know why it's not working. Let me try again. This error I got before also, so it's not the error of, yeah, it's not the error of the program. I don't know why this compiler is doing this. So initial array was 2, 1, 4, and 6, and after sorting it will become 1, 2, 4, and 6, which is an ascending order. So yeah, this was the program. These both are again sorting algorithm which will inside sort any value inside an array, and can be used in any data management application. So that's all, and thank you for watching.